like he in his trunk. right, y'all. We're on our way to the car wash to wash my car. Before it get too hot, it's supposed to be 99 degrees today, and we might be a little too late because I'm not trying to be out here washing nobody's car, especially mine in the heat. It's hot out here, but my car need to be washed so bad. Got my roll dog back there, so she can help me. She been here, she makes a mess, so she needed help. Just finished with that. My first time there, and I would rate that 1 out of 10. I'm gonna say an 8, maybe a 9, because the only thing I didn't like was the brush. They need to change the brush. The brush is not. It's too soft, and I was trying to really scrub it, like spots that needs to be scrubbed. But I know next time I'm gonna bring my own little brush just in case. But that's the only thing. Everything else, my first time trying it out, it wasn't too bad, but you will get a lot of cardio out of that. That's exercise. Arm work, leg work, all that. So I will come back, but like I said, I will bring my own scrub brush just in case they don't have it when I come back. And the vacuum, I didn't do the spot. I didn't do the spot removal, or what else was it? There was something else. Spot removal and something else. I didn't do that. It started getting too hot. I was trying to just hurry up, touch it up a little bit. There's a lot of places I still couldn't get, but I do have a vacuum cleaner for my car that has the attachment. It's real long and skinny to get in the little skinny areas, the little skinny places. But yeah, that was that. About to post this video out because I'm about to go in the house, take a shower, eat something. I don't know. I need to go to the grocery store, so that might be in my next vlog. So until then, also I want to give a thanks to all my new subscribers. I want to say I think I gained 7 or 8 subscribers since my last vlog, and I want to thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome. So until then, please don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up this video, share it. Like, come on, let this family grow. I have faith in y'all guys. Let's grow this channel. I'm trying to grow it. I'm trying to get more comfortable with it. So let's just grow together and become cousins. Let's become family, because you're gonna get more trips, vacations, whatever. Y'all gonna get cooking, all that. Okay, y'all. So I have a grocery haul. I just got back from Giant, and so I was like, let me share with the people what we're gonna be eating for the next couple of days, because the way groceries are rising, the prices are rising, it's too much. But anyway, I got some ground beef. I think I showed y'all in the other clip most of the stuff. Got some lunch meat. Brianna got these juices. They was 2 for $1, so she got 4 of them. I got 2 packs of bacon. I got a slab of pork ribs. Got the crackers. The lactate milk, a gallon. I did get the scrapple. Got some cookies and cream ice cream. As a matter of fact, let me put this in the freezer, because it's so hot, it started melting already. I also got a bag of ice because I wanted some chip ice. I got a half a gallon of the Minute Maid fruit punch. I got 2 bags of chips, the plain Ruffles and the barbecue. I got a box of these pot pies. Y'all know me, we all love these marine pot pies, chicken pot pies. Bree got 3 of these. I don't know why she didn't mix them up, but she got the nacho and cheese Lunchables. The Fruit Fools Welch's, these are good. The fruit strips, they're pretty good. I had to get some Old Bay. I got 2 boxes of the macaroni and cheese, the Velveeta and the Cracker Barrel. Rihanna, of course, got these and put these in the freezer as well. Chocolate strawberries. Got a bag of the collards. Got some plums. Got some kosher dill pickles, the spears, cuts. Rihanna and this pizza. Of course, the cheeseburger macaroni. Cheeseburger hamburger helper. Oh, here's the other thing of the bacon. And I got. Rihanna picked it out. Hopefully, it's good. Is this a half a watermelon? No, I think it's a quarter size. 1/3 of it. Got some Oreos. Got the cheese for the crackers. This stuff I can snack on. Some Nature Seasons. And I got some croissants. Croissant rolls. And I have some real mayo. And I got some creamy onion dip for my chips. Brianna got little 6 packs of Sprite. And got 2 little cases of Pepsi, the mini cans. And yeah, that's about it. And that was like $200. $200. It's ridiculous. But hey, I got it. What can I do? So I need to start couponing. I just need to figure out where to go or what website I need to go to get these coupons, because this stuff is so expensive. And it's like 20 items it seemed like. But anyway, okay y'all, so I'm really closing out this video now. So until the next time, see you, cousin.